Am I locked out of my own castle? Nope. This is gonna be bad. My poor people.
It's worse than I thought, isn't it?
Roderick! There you are. Lady Forrester.
What's wrong, Mother?
It's Griff. He was arguing with the Maester and things got out of hand.
I'm coming.
What do you mean to do? This could be our chance.
He's right. We must hurry before things get violent.
I want to try talking to him first, see if we can work this out.
And if that fails,
Just don't forget your promise, Roderick.
the rest of my men are still in the grove. They could be here in minutes.
I'll need every one of them for what I'm about to do.
I'll have them here as soon as possible. Let's go.
And Arthur, listen for my signal. I'll strike my cane when I want you to enter.
We'll be ready.
Good signal. Strike my cane. I'm worried of how successful this is gonna
It's
be.
not safe. You should wait for your brother.
I don't care if it isn't safe.
Griff thinks I belong to him. I need to show him I don't.
Together then.
This is gonna end badly. The standard Game of Thrones pessimism is hitting me. Who's the traitor, though? And would the traitor know I'm doing this?
Stop this at once.
You let that bite fester!
No, I tried.
You'd have tried harder for a Forrester.
My lord, please.
I am the only lord who matters here. Roderick!
Help me.
Tell your dog to obey his new master. And while you're at it, Elena Glenmore, what are you doing with him? You're supposed to be marrying me.
You? I'd rather marry a dead horse.
You watch your bloody tongue, or I'll give you what I'm giving the Maester.
Excuse me?
Let the maester go, Griff.
Not until he's learned his lesson. He's disobedient, just like you were, Roderick. Before I brought you to heel. So now he's paying the price.
My hand! I'm sorry.
Don't believe ya.
You're not the lord here, Griff. And I'm tired of you pretending you are.
You think I'm fucking pretending? You know what I think?
My brother is ready.
Shit.
I think you need another lesson in humanity.
Oh, shit.
Just like your maester here. You can watch if you like. Then you'll see who's the man and who's the cripple.
Careful, Griff. You really don't want to do that.
And why the fuck not?
Should we do it?
Planning to stop me?
Yes.
Oh, what's the cripple up to now, eh? Fancy yourself a warrior? You are nothing, Roderick.
I don't know why that didn't work.
Just give up. Not today. Accept it.
Bang that cane, bro.
You're just embarrassing.
Please work.
What the hell is this? What are your orders? I'm the only one here who gives the orders. What are you waiting for?
Take their weapons.
We can't kill him because I'm thinking about Ryan.
What are you doing? Drop it! Now.
Don't be an idiot. Good lad.
This is my hall! You have no right to be here!
Now then, about humility.
Get your hands off me!
Maester, are you all right?
Yes, I think so.
My father will go straight to Roose Bolton. He'll flay you, and your sister, and your whole fucking family!
Leave Ironrath. Take your soldiers and get out. Then maybe I'll show you mercy.
I'm not going anywhere.
Oh man.
You gonna hurt me? Your friends won't be around forever, Roderick. And when they're gone...
Shut up. That felt good.
Is that it? Is this the man you'd rather have? This cripple?
I think he wants more.
Roderick!
Enough! That's enough! Are you satisfied? Is that it then?
We're done here. Clear out. Confine the Whitehills to the cellars. No one gets in or out.
This isn't over, Roderick!
That worked out a lot better than I thought it would. We have some control of House Forrester.
Not reach High Point. You must be sure of it.
Oh, the
Not
traitor.
as long as they still hold Ryan. Kill the Ravens. All of them.
Oh, man. The word gets out of what we've done. Our little brother is probably dead.
I swear I will.
Fuck you and your queen.
That's enough! So long as you're in my camp, you will obey my orders. And getting pissed drunk before a mission.
Obey?
You know what kind of shit-brained fool does that? One who wants to fucking die out there! Have you lost your damn
I
mind?
am not some animal in a cage.
What in the seven bloody hells are
I
you
will
talking
not let
about?
you bark orders at me.
I'm glad to see you two are getting along. Warms the heart.
I'm not the one with the problem. It's him.
She can't fight like this, Asher.
You think I'm too drunk to fight? What the fuck
What
do
are you gonna
know?
do? Run out there swinging a fucking... Ah!
No, he asked for it.
Still think I can't fight?
You fucking bitch!
Oh, there we go. There's the asshole I remember.
Hey, come on, Veska. Leave the poor
Let
man
go
alone.
of me before I break your fingers.
Deal with your friend. She'll get us all
You
killed.
sound scared, Croft.
This is bloody important.
You afraid your mother will spank you?
I will not let you two fuck
Or are
this
you
up.
looking forward to it?
I'll talk to her.
Good. If she can't hold it together, we're leaving without the both of you.
You think your little thumbcock can take Marine all by itself?
Thumbcock?
I'd never work with a bloody shote like you
Veska,
anyway!
what the hell is going on?
You gonna lecture me too?
Fuck!
Croft doesn't know shit about anything. None of you do.
You can't let him get to you. You're better than that.
It's not just him. You think I give two shits about what Croft has to say? You're the only reason I'm even fucking here.
You followed me.
Oh, little dragon queen, I would go into Marine with you. You brought me here.
I'm doing this for my family, Veska. This is the only way.
Always about you, your family, your problems.
You could have just told me what your issue was.
Come on, Asher. Hit me. Oh, if this was a real fight, you'd be dead.
I'm not going to do that.
Holy shit.
What are you so afraid of?
Just tell us.
I was a slave. Here, in this fucking city.
You're not a slave anymore.
I was taken from my home when I was only 3 years old. When I was 7, my master threw me in the fighting pits to die.
7?
When my master tired of watching me kill animals for sport, he started
Oh boy.
sending other children. I butchered every one of them. After a while, I thought the fear was gone. I thought I was used to it.
But you had no choice.
I did. I decided my life was worth saving. But theirs were not. There was this boy. We used to play 5 stones in the alley when we couldn't sleep. When I saw him next, he was in that pit with me. I saw the fear in his eyes. That same fear I felt my first time. And I realized it hadn't left me. I still wanted to live. I wanted it so badly. My master watched as I did it, smiling. I could have killed him for that fucking smile.
I'm so sorry, Beskha.
I don't want your pity. I bought my freedom a long time ago, but I have always hated this place.
Why come
Hated
back
him.
with me?
Dezor Zoraza. Because of that man.
Oh, name drop. A sense of revenge mission.
Marine is a city of dead children. Don't worry about me. I won't let you down.
I know you won't.
Better drink. Soldier on. Oh, she's can't even walk. Maybe I should have intervened. Oh well.
You shouldn't say that.
Why not?
Mira, I'll meet you inside.
I don't trust this chick, man.
What are you doing here?
I have to get in there, Sarah. I know I'm not supposed to attend, but
Then you know Lady Marjorie doesn't want to see you. What could be so important?
Lord Whitehill is up to something. He's conspiring against my family. And someone in there is helping him.
Lady Marjorie would be furious, Mira. I can't. I'm sorry. I want to help you, but I can't risk it.
Please, Sarah.
I don't know.
For me.
A useless friend.
Fine. Just stop making that face already. You owe me for this. She's with me. We'll stay out of trouble. I promise.
That was it? I couldn't do that by myself? Couldn't charm one guard?
Feels a bit strange to celebrate, doesn't it? Not so long ago, King Joffrey sat on the Iron Throne.
Tommen is our king now.
Long may he reign.
Long may he reign.
I was worried you'd run off with your friend there.
And what if I did?
I'm not sure I could blame you.
This is Lady Mira Forrester. Mira, Lord Garibald Tarwick.
She's quite lovely. Where have you been hiding her?
You're making her blush. Sorry, Mira. He gets a bit carried away.
You flatter me. Sarah's lovelier than us all.
I won't argue there. It's quite a feast, isn't it? Just be careful around the wine.
Got a big nose, mate.
I hear you don't partake yourself. It's easy to forget. Nothing you do in King's Landing goes unnoticed. Drink too much once and you're forever the drunken fool. Talk to the wrong people and...
Lord Tarwick!
Awkward.
What was that about?
Nothing. That subject isn't fit for your delicate ears anyway.
There they are.
My ears are not delicate.
Of course they are. Look how tiny they are. Little lobes.
Stop it.
What?
I mean it. Someone caught your eye, Mira?
Shit.
I'm sorry, I'm rather thirsty.
Oh, allow me.
No, I can get it myself. Thank you. If you'll excuse me.
This reminds me of the tourney at Lannisport. You wouldn't believe it.
You told me this story.
But you would have loved it. We danced all evening, drank wine from our helmets.
That is it!
Andros, you're being ridiculous.
Uh-oh. I don't want to approach him right now. I don't want to see what else is going on here. I took the royal decree off of Tyrion.
It seems so calm out there.
Not really sure how that's going to play out here.
I heard he was killed. Right here in the garden.
Well,
wasn't he a Lannister?
One of their guard, but still.
Oh.
Surely they found who did it.
Yeah, it was me.
They haven't caught him yet. Not for lack of effort, mind you. I hear they've spared no expense. Let's not reveal too much gossip.
Oh, I can't remember. I think it was a bird?
Close.
A cock.
That's it.
No, that's terrible.
You're the one telling the joke, remember?
Nothing there. What about the other guy? Big fatty.
It is a lot, but I know how to spend it.
But how did you manage it?
Lord Whitehill trusts me above
Shit,
all
it's him.
That's why I'm the only one he's willing to work with.
Oh, an exclusive deal. How good for you, Andros.
Well, I've got my family to consider.
And what the hell do I do with
When's
this
the last time
information?
you even saw your wife, Andros?
Do we confront him? I don't know what to do here.
And why would you ever stop dealing ironwood?
Is there no longer a demand for it?
I can't imagine that would be the case.
No need for such wild speculation. I've simply lost interest. I'm moving on to better things, as they say.
And what would that be?
No. I can see what you're doing. I'm not giving away my secrets just yet.
So he's mad that his partner left him. Why did his partner leave him?
Please, if you'll excuse me. Lady Mira.
Lady Mira.
Impressed with what?
that you aren't currently locked in a cell. I trust this means that you took care of that contract. How did you do it, if I may ask? I wasn't expecting to see you again, if I'm being honest. You must have made quick work of it.
If I tell you how I did it, what's in it for me?
Nothing. But I admire the gall. I do believe King's Landing is rubbing off on you. So, what have you been up to? Enjoying yourself? Though I suppose if you're talking to me, you must want something.
I've heard you stopped selling ironwood. Not on my account, I hope.
How did you?
So it's true.
It appears that you know most of the story already. I've been pushed out of the ironwood business.
Oh.
All thanks to my partner. Bloody imbecile.
We can be allies.
Andros is now Lord Whitehill's exclusive contact in King's Landing. No matter the fact that I introduced them in the first place.
Do you know what Lord Andros is planning?
He's acquired a large amount of gold, but I haven't the slightest idea what he intends to buy with it. Whatever it is, he's managed to get a Lannister involved.
Shit.
A Lannister?
Lyman. He may only be a third cousin, but he's a Lannister all the same.
Rickard! Are you done flirting with that handmaiden? We need your opinion here.
Oh, leave him alone.
Please excuse me.
Shit. Okay, should we talk to him? Should we eavesdrop again, or will it give us the same thing?
And a Lannister, too.
I thought we were done talking about this.
You asked me about my friends.
Friends, yes. Lyman is your business partner.
What's the difference?
Fair enough, Andros.
And if my friends happen to protect me from the crown, all the better.
I think I need more wine.
Alright. Lyman seems like a bit of a wuss. Let's see if we can maybe pressure him for information.
Excuse me. Lyman Lannister?
Shit. You startled me. As if I don't already have enough to deal with.
Here, let me help.
That's very kind of you, thank you, but I'm fine. I just get clumsy sometimes. I'm afraid you have me at a disadvantage, Lady...
Mira.
Lady Mira. I'm not used to being approached so boldly, but I'm glad you did. I always feel a bit out of place at big gatherings like this. So, what brings you over here? I'm not the best company, I'm afraid. Or were you headed for the wine and I got in the way?
You look like you could use some company. What are you doing all by yourself?
I don't mind, really. I only came to discuss some business with Lord Andros. I'm told it's rude to
business,
Oh? What kind of business?
I really shouldn't talk about it. Andros came to me in confidence. You understand? He wouldn't be pleased, I'm sure. I'm sorry.
You can trust me, Lord Lyman. I won't tell anyone.
Well, I suppose I
Lyman,
could just...
what do you think you're doing?
Shit.
What? Nothing.
You stay away from him.
Andros, we were just talking.
You were just talking to Mira Forrester.
Forrester? I didn't realize.
My lord?
Let me say this as plainly as I can. Don't ever meddle in my affairs again!
Uh-oh. Oh shit.
Lady Marjorie.
Blend in.
Lady Marjorie.
Nice interference. Although I feel like she did see us. Harwick.
Lady Mira? That was quite a scene over there. Are you all right?
I'm fine. I can handle Lord Andros.
It's Lyman I was worried about.
What do you mean?
Honestly, that story isn't fit for a maiden's ears. Just be careful around him. All right?
How about we trade? There must be something I can tell you.
There is something. I'm curious about Sarah. Your help could save me a lot of embarrassment. Very grateful, Lady Mira.
Is she a bastard?
What do you want to know about Sarah?
Sarah Durwell. Interesting name, that. Funny thing is, the last Durwells died off almost 200 years ago. What can you tell me about her family?
Fuck.
Something isn't quite right.
Fuck.
I'm not sure. You must understand, I can't court a woman just because I like the way she laughs.
She helped us.
I need to know
We have to help her.
her parentage.
I
Why?
met the Durwells when I was at Highgarden.
Oh?
They're a small house these days, but very well regarded.
Ah, right. Well, that's a relief. For a moment, I thought...
And now, Lord Tarwick,
Do you buy it?
it's your turn.
Right. Lyman Lannister. 10 years ago, Lyman was injured at the tourney at Lannisport. He took a bad fall from his horse. Needed milk of the poppy for weeks, just to keep from screaming.
Oh.
And between us, he's never stopped drinking the stuff. Can't stop, actually. He spent all his money trying to get more. The man can't go a day without it.
So that's why he shakes.
You mustn't repeat that, Lady Mira.
That's our way in.
I shouldn't even know about it. Besides, Lyman suffered enough embarrassment. And every man's entitled to his secrets.
Then why did you tell me?
Because of... Well, maybe I shouldn't have. I'd hate for Lord Andros to trace this back to me.
You learned that from Andros.
The man's mouth is bigger than the Blackwater. Poor Lyman has no idea. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have some arrangements to make.
Blushy eyes.
Mira?
We have to speak to him now, don't we? We eat? And why not? Kind of funny that eating is an option, but we'll do it. Oh boy. No pressure, just the fate of the house on your shoulders.
Lord Lyman, we really need to talk.
I know what you're up to. I won't discuss my business with Andros, so please...
His hand is actually shaking.
Just leave me alone. You've landed me in enough trouble. Just leave.
Look at you. You're shaking.
It's an old injury.
But there's more to it than that, isn't there?
What are you saying? Either tell me what you want, or go bother someone else.
Ooh.
I don't have to stand here and take this.
Lord Andros has betrayed you. I know everything.
What? What do you...
The milk of the poppy. You drink it like wine. Ever since your injury at Lannisport.
He wouldn't... Andros wouldn't...
He's not your friend. He's been using you.
I trusted him.
He spilled your secrets. So why not spill his?
Andros is hiring sellswords. Hundreds of them.
Oh.
What?
He's building an army for Lord Whitehill, big enough to march against Ironrath.
Oh.
But Andros is doing it in secret. No one knows.
I do.
Or at least, he doesn't want anyone to know. I told him I'd keep quiet, but... well... now you know, too.
That army will destroy my family.
That was his hope, I'm sure, but I... You bloody traitor.
Uh-oh.
You promised me. Then you told everyone?
Uh-oh.
What are you talking about?
You're a liar. I should never have trusted you. She told me everything.
Fuck.
Lady Mira, you've just made a very grave error. Very grave indeed. You realize that, I hope.
Go
As
on.
have you, my lord, because I know everything you're planning, and I'm going to destroy you.
Go on. About time we got a small victory. I feel like Marjorie saw us though, which might not be the greatest. Of all the characters in the game, from the TV show, Marjorie seems to be the one that is most inconsistent with her show character. She's harder to predict.
You know where you're going.
Cotter?
Let's see that map again.
No, you're
You're
lost.
asking now, are you? Surprised you haven't taken it from my pocket already. How much food we got left? Here we are. Carried. How's the food? Well, this won't last much longer. If Finn wasn't eating all of it.
It's not me.
I will have to stop soon, look for some food. We're on the right track. This way.
Is my character not capable of reading a map? Is that a bear warning? Oh fuck. Wildling?
The free folk.
Wildlings. Oh, this complicates things. You stay here. I'll try and talk to her. I'm one of them.
I'm not wearing black, you're not.
He's a fucking wildling, Cotter! They might kick me around a little, but whatever you do, don't come out, alright?
They might kill him.
She has to think I'm alone. If she sees you, you'll only make things worse.
Good hunting. No, I'm a friend. I grew up near Ardholm. You know it? I won't hurt you. All right.
You grew up near Hardhome? That's bullshit.
One of you.
You sure look like a crow to me. You're dressed like one. You out here all alone, little pup.
Hardhome was established after Mance Raider's attack on the wall.
Come out or I'll kill your friend.
FYI.
Or I'll make him scream first.
Listen, I don't want to fight.
Then you shouldn't have come here.
Please!
You should have stayed behind your wall.
He's not alone.
I knew a little crow wouldn't wander off by himself.
Leave them be, all right? Just take me.
I think I'll take all of you.
Let him go. But we're just passing through. We didn't mean any harm.
Right. You and your fuckless men just want to kill us all and take our land. But you didn't mean any harm.
Oh, jeez. Maybe we should have stayed hidden. What? I really didn't want to fight.
Thanks. Fuck.
Oh man.
Cotter.
Now we probably just created more trouble. There's crows beyond the wall. Oh, my food. Not the food.
Our food! Hey! Garrett! Garrett, no! She's not fighting yet! It's over! Just don't do it! Garrett! Let her go! Shit!
Are those the last of our supplies?
Oof. We can't stay here.
You're hurt.
Come on. We can rest up ahead.
Take their weapons? No? That bow could be handy.